Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you this model 𝗘𝗖𝗪𝗔. Okay, if you notice there is a G behind the code is for the metal grill model. Okay, so as usual we come to see the features. This is the pin code. You can unlock with the access card, with the fingerprints. There's a voice guide and also the Bluetooth features. This model will come with the mechanical key as well because it is for grill model. Okay, let's start. This model I'm going to show you with the hook versions. Okay, the hook version is actually suitable for the sliding grill as well. As usual, you will get the manual books, so you can see the features stated here. Okay, and same as usual, this is the international version where you can find the manual book is in English, even though it's made in Korea. Okay, it's a very detailed user guide that teach you how to register the RFID cards, the fingerprints. Okay, this is the one-to-one installation template where you can directly put on the door that you're going to install. Okay, same as well. You will have the front body. Okay, the finishing is actually a little bit shining. This is the gray color. Okay, this is the fingerprint reader. Keypad will be here, and this is the access card, 9-volt jump start terminal. This is the back body. So we will have another videos talking about the difference between 700 and 730, the difference between these two models. Okay, both of them is for grill door. However, there's a slightly difference on the design behind. So this is the fingerprint reader, where ES-FF is the first smart lock that invent the dual fingerprint from the front body and the back body. So this is the keyhole, the hook. Come with the mechanical key. It's significant for each of the smart locks. You will get a access card, 2-piece key tag, and 2-piece IC size. You will have the screw, and AA alkaline battery. As usual, there's a striker plates and striker plate cover. This striker plate cover is only available for grill model. And this is the accessory. Okay, this is the item is inside the box. So you can see here we have front body, back body, user guide, the striker plate, striker box to cover the striker plate, and the plastic accessory, AA battery, access card, 2-piece key tag and 2-piece IC size, mechanical key, and the screw. Okay, right now I already put in the battery. Okay, you can see the board here. So this is for the sliding model that is on hook. Okay, this model have to upon request, because the default will be the single bolt, the normal bolt, like this. Okay, so you can see here, you can use the password, okay, or you can use the fingerprints and access card. So from the behind of the body, you can actually use the fingerprint to unlock the door, or you can use the remote control and the mechanical key. Okay, or you can even register to the Bluetooth apps